Say goodbye to sorrows, worries, and welcome light, love, and lots of joy. Owing to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, let us meet each other on a new platform with Smile, for Smile is the beginning of love. Little celebration will keep us optimistic and in good spirits.
Here, St. Paul's Convent School family extend a hearty welcome to all the viewers in the virtual Diwali celebration. For all of you to cherish these moments.
It is our privilege to be guided and supported by a man of innovative ideas. Indeed, a brilliant administrator and a distinguished personality, Reverend Father Anthony Joseph, the director of the school.
The individual behind the perfect and smooth running of this institution is a mind, very creative and competent enough. She is supremely influential and benevolent. She is the principal of the school, Reverend Sister Elizabeth.
Be it any school activity, we are always kept in high spirits and assisted by creative and artistic ideas by a person. Her mere presence in itself is an inspiration to us. She is the vice principal of the school, Sister Jyoti Maria.
The noble personalities that shape our character, caliber, and future are our well experienced and qualified teachers, our mentors.
Happiness is in the air. It's Diwali time. We not only celebrate the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after victory over Ravana, but also unity, love, and of course, positivity.
Let's celebrate the festival of lights in a sense of spreading joy and lighting up the world of others. There are few events coming ahead. Wishing you all a happy, safe, and blessed Diwali.
Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna. respected parents, my dear loving faculty members, and very loving children. On this very onset, I would like to extend my warm greetings of Diwali to one and all. We know Diwali is festival of lights. It's a festival of victory of good over evil. It's festival of our inner enlightenment. It is festival of the one which is inside us, which is powerful than any other trouble that comes out from the world. We know that this festival of light, by the passing of this time, has become the festival of crackers. Let us celebrate this Diwali responsibly. Let us make it purely the festival of lights. As we know that during this COVID time, there are many people who are suffering. And it is the purity of air that will make the life of those suffering a better one. So let us pledge that we won't celebrate this Diwali as festival of crackers. Rather, we will celebrate it as festival of light. As you light a diya or a candle, let us remember that there is a light of the Almighty in us. Let us be enlightened. Let us be a light of hope for others, those who are hopeless. Let us be light of the one who enlightens everybody. Today, let us really thank God for keeping us alive, giving us this moment to be in His presence. So let's be with Him, thank Him for all the blessings He has given to us, to our families, and ask His blessing so that all this world be filled with the true light that is God Himself. God bless you all.
मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली, सारे सितारे उसके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली। मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली, सारे सितारे उसके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली। हम सभी में हर किसी के दिल में है वही, हो ज़मीं या आसमां हो वो है हर कहीं रोशनी, ये भी उसी का नाम है। ये जहां सारा उसी का काम है। उसने बनाई सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली, सारे सितारे उसके दिए हैप्पी दिवाली। उसने बनाई सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली, सारे सितारे उसके दिए हैप्पी दिवाली। दुनिया मेरी ऐसे चमके जैसे रोशनी रोशनी, दुनिया सारी ऐसे लगे जैसे दिल में हो खुशी रोशनी, ये भी उसी का नाम है। ये जहां सारा उसी का काम है। उसने बनाई सब
I, Manpreet Kaur from Standard 10th Thread, feel really pleased to share with you the moments of my lockdown period. Just for 3 days, we went to school, sat in a 10th standard, that the next day we got a message of school being closed as a prevention of pandemic COVID-19. It became really difficult for me to spend my time at home. But slowly and steadily, my routine changed. I started putting forward my efforts in helping my mother with household works and cooking. Being praised by my mother on every little thing I did, I felt encouraged to do more and more things. This benefited me a lot as I learned sweeping, mopping and dusting. Now I feel as if I'm an expert at household things. I learned the importance of keeping each and everything spick and span. Trying new recipes from internet, I acquired a skill at cooking too. The eatables, the junk food which I used to eat from hotels or restaurants, now I eat at my home by making it home only. Then apart from my online school studies, I started gaining knowledge of the subjects of whose competitive exams I'm to give in my future to have a career in life or to fulfill my dreams. I've subscribed some channels on YouTube, followed some educational accounts on Instagram, and downloaded news apps so as to increase my IQ level and to keep in touch with the current affairs. One day I read the news which said that the husband and wife earns 1 lakh per month.
ये दिन जहां में हर कहीं भर दे रोशनी उसी के प्यार की दिल से वो मिला दे हर चेहरा वो खिला दे रुत लाए आज खुशियों की मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली सारे सितारे उसके दिए हैप्पी दिवाली मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली सारे सितारे उसके दिए हैप्पी दिवाली
આવી ગઈ રાત અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे આવી ગઈ રાત અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा गाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात गाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे
Dear friends, don't just party or burst crackers. Instead, do something more. Be a Santa Claus this Diwali. There are lots of stuff at your home, stuff you have never used. Try donating it to the people who actually need it. Try spending your time in distributing sweets to the needy ones. And bring joy in other people's life. Happy Diwali to all of you.
ਓਏ ਜੰਮਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਉਸ ਟੱਕਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਧੂੜ ਓਏ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਦੀ ਮਾਰ ਬਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਤੋਂ ਵੇ ਓੜਿਆ ਸੈਂਟੀ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੂਰ ਰੱਖੇ ਘੂਰ ਘੂਰ ਓਏ ਬਣਦਾ ਕੁਈਨ ਜੱਟ ਦੀ ਰਾਜ ਰੱਖ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਦਿਲ 'ਚ ਬਿਠਾ ਕੇ ਜੱਟ ਨਾ ਕਲੇਸ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਬੜੇ ਬੜੇ ਵਟਰਾਲੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਜੱਟ ਨਾ ਕਲੇਸ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਬੜੇ ਬੜੇ ਵਟਰਾਲੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਪਾ ਕੇ
Lamp of love. Blast the chain of sorrow. Shoot the rocket of prosperity. Fire the flower pot of happiness. Happy Deepavali to all. Today on the occasion of Diwali, we are going to represent a skit before you, which will make you aware of not to use crackers. So let's begin. Hello Naman. Hello Pavit. How are you? I'm fine. What about you? Where are you going? I'm also fine. I'm going to market to buy crackers. Oh no, not again. What happened? Why are you looking so shocked? You don't know what happened the last year's Diwali? No, I don't know. Please let me know. Okay, let me tell you what was the last year's incident. Okay. Wow, it's Diwali. Let's clean and decorate our houses. We have to worship also. Then when will you burst crackers? But no crackers. We should not burst crackers as it leads to air and noise pollution. I bought so many crackers and I will burst them too. After all, it is Diwali festival of lights. Kelvi, I told you not to burst crackers. They create pollution. We should clean our house to celebrate clean and green Diwali. Hurrah, crackers! I got hurt. It's paining. Even I can't breathe due to the smoke of crackers. Oh, Carvey, I told you not to burst crackers. See what all had happened. You have got hurt also. There's a lot of smoke due to crackers. Even my dog is not coming out of the house. It is noise pollution. Have you seen everyone's getting trouble due to these crackers? We should not burst crackers. See, even the animals are getting disturbed. So, we should not celebrate Diwali like this. Instead, we should decorate our house with candles and diyas. We should keep our surrounding clean also. Sorry, Dee, I will not burst crackers. Do you promise? Instead of bursting crackers, we can give that money to the needy in our neighborhood so that they can celebrate Diwali with happiness. Yes, that will be great. We wish you all.
On this beautiful night, filled with twinkling lights and bright smiles, may you find happiness and prosperity. Wish you all a very happy and safe Diwali.